This is the complex and advanced level interview question based on the store procedure, and this is the real time use cases as well. So when we have some application is integrated with the databases, always we have store procedure to insert the data in the table. So whatever the activity you perform in the table application level, all the activity are captured in the database, relational database. So the question is develop a store procedure to insert the record in the table using the store procedure based on the below table schema. We have the table student, and the column is the student ID, student name, and the student email, and the course. So this table data will be inserted by using the store procedure, and the store procedure will be integrated with the front end application. So first you need to be create the table based on the schema provided. So you can create table by using the create statement, create table name, and the student ID. We can put the identity, student name, and we have the student email, and we have the course. Okay, now first you can try install this table. So table got created. Now you can see this table we don't have the any record right now. So the record will be inserted by using the store procedure. For this type of the requirement, whatever the column data got inserted like student name, the student ID will be always insert by using the identity rule, and the student email and the course. So you need to be create the input parameter with all the column name which is available in the table. So let me create one store procedure and give the some meaningful name. Okay, so with the parameter. So I am creating one store procedure. The procedure name is the insert student data. So you can see showing red. The reason is when you create the store procedure is always in the new window. So to avoid this error, you can put the before the go. Okay, so this will be treated as a new window. So I am giving the procedure name USP, user defined store procedure insert student data, and I am passing the student name and the student email and the course, and the data type I given the 100. So now next question is how you can insert through the store procedure. So we can use the insert statement, insert into the table name, and whatever the column is there, okay, that parameter you need to be select. Okay, so by using the select, or the you can use the value insert also. Okay, so inserting into the student, and the value is coming from the student. So now if you create and install this store procedure, so now you can see this table is already there. I need to be run till here only. So proc will be installed. You can see already exist. Now you need to be run the procedure. Okay, so how you can run? You can run the procedure manually, because we don't right now we don't have the application. So we try to insert the student name is equal to John, student email is equal to john@gmail.com, course is the data analyst. So when this store procedure inserted, the data will be populated in this record. Okay, so you can see select star from table name in the below. This data is all inserted here. Okay, you can see this data will be inserted like John. Now if you try to insert run the proc by using the different data, you can also use the same, like whenever the time this proc will be run, every time this proc will be uh, insert the new record into this table. So to solve this question like this, you can create the store procedure. Okay, coming to the next question, we have developed a store procedure to find the total sale amount based on the below requirement, and the requirement is the input parameter is country, and this is the optional parameter. If user pass multiple uh, pass null value, then display the all country. Like this question is basically handling the we basically handle the null value. If you user is pass null value, then display with the all the country amount, sales amount. Okay, so I have two table, one and if you can see in data warehouse, adventure web data warehouse, we have two table, one where the data is where the value is stored. So basically, to sales amount, to display the sales amount, we have the fact internet sales. Okay, so you can see select star from fact internet sales. So this is the fact table, but the question is saying you need to be give the country wise. So country information is available based on the table name is deemed sales territory. Okay, so this is the table where the country value column is there. So you can see country column in this sales territory country, France, United States, Germany. So if I pass the Germany, or if you pass the Canada, total sales amount should be displayed. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem by using these two table. Let me put this two table in this different window. Okay, so select star from fact internet sales. So I am putting this into this different window. So here I am just giving you this two table. Okay, so basically this two table is used for the data, and let me pin, so is in front is there. So first you need to develop the store procedure based on the requirement is find the total sales amount, based on the requirement column is country column. Okay, so country column in this table we have the column name is uh, fact internet, we have the deemed territory key. So if you can run this table, we have sales territory country. Okay, so you can create the procedure. Okay, so if you running the version of the 19 or upper, then you can at a time write create or alter. Okay, create or alter procedure. Country is the input parameter, but here you need to be passed the equal to null. So if any value is passed which is the null, so you can handle this situation also. Okay, so you need to be always think about the null as well. So if this country is null, okay, if this country is null, what will we do begin? You need to perform this operation like not null, means if you passing the country value, then simply you can join both the table and you can find the data. Okay, so that is the main uh, requirement for this. Like I have the total sales amount, sales territory country, and this table we joining with the sales territory key. This table also have the sales territory key, and this table also. So based on the joining, and we grouping this data, and if the user is supplied the null value, okay, then you can put the simply else. Okay, simply else is basically you need to be fetch the record from the all the value. Okay, like this and all the country value. So you need no need to be select any country wise filter. Okay, so if you run this procedure, okay, I am just running this procedure and executing this procedure. Okay, if you run this procedure, and now if you try to execute this procedure, okay, by suppose I am passing, this is the Canada. Okay, so I am passing here, you need to put the go condition here. If I passing Canada, you will get the Canada total sales amount. Okay, you only Canada. But if you pass the null value, okay, if you pass the null value here, it will display the all the country, basically total sales amount like Australia, Canada, France, Germany, United Kingdom, and United States. So I hope you understand how you can solve the question. So I cover each and every multiple way. The interview asks like how I handle the multiple value, null value, empty value, how you can get the data based on the optional parameter. This is called the optional parameter concept. So optional parameter concept is also called. So if you solve all this different way of the question, and definitely you will crack any interview, and also you will able to work in the real time, because store procedure is the backbone of the any of the organization, and when you work in the real time. So thank you so much for this lecture. I will meet you again next lecture with some interesting question. Thank you.